Hello and assalamu alaikum dear YouTube family. Hope you all are doing really well. Viewers, today's recipe is all for vegetarians and vegans out there struggling to find a good curry. This $1,000,000 recipe is what I've learned from my mother and today I'm sharing it. So jump straight to the recipe and let's go. I'm starting with making the gram flour crepes, and for that in a bowl I've taken 1 cup of gram flour, and in the same bowl I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, and in the last I'm adding 1 4 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll combine all the ingredients and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. Note that we have to add water gradually, keep stirring in between to make sure that its consistency should not be too thick or too thin. And now the batter for our besan or gram flour crepes is ready. I'm gonna keep it aside. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare our curry, and for that in a wok I've added 1/3 cup of oil. Then I'm going to add the paste of 1 medium-sized onion, and we have to fry this onion until it turns golden brown in color. Now that the onions have got this beautiful golden brown color, I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste. Also, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder. And now we'll mix all the ingredients and let them cook for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now we'll add half cup of water. So now we have to cook it on medium flame until oil comes on the top. So now all our spices are cooked. I'm gonna add half cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll cook it for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna add 1 cup of water. After that, we'll cover the lid and let it cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. And meanwhile, we'll prepare our besan crepes. I've already greased the pan with a little bit of oil and then I'm pouring 1/3 cup of batter. And we have to spread it on our pan. We'll let it cook from one side for 3 to 4 minutes on medium-high flame, and then I'm gonna gently fold it. And we have to press it slightly after every fold and make sure that crepes don't break at this point. Now the first crepe is ready. I'm gonna plate it out, and in the same way I'm going to prepare other crepes. And in the same way, I've made 3 crepes out of our batter, and now we have to cut it. And you can check how perfectly they have cooked and shaped and are not cracking at all. And in the last step, we have to add these crepes into our curry. Now on a medium flame, we have to add all our crepes. Now here's a point to take that I'm not using any spoon to mix it and I'm just gently shaking the wok. Now on the last, I'm just covering the lid and let this curry cook for 5 to 6 minutes so that our crepes absorb all the spices and flavor of the curry. In the last, I'm garnishing it with some coriander leaves. And viewers, our flavorsome besan crepes curry is ready and I wish if I could let you smell the aroma coming out of it. Serve it with rice, paratha, naan and etc. So here was my take on this besan crepes curry, and if you like my video then please hit the like button, comment, and if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel then please subscribe it, because I'll be right back with lots of scrumptious recipes. Until then, Allah Hafiz and bye.